Welcome to this course on Introduction to Statistics, Analysis and Probability. I am excited to present this course through this platform, designed to support your journey in the world of data, uncertainty, and informed decision making. In today's world, data is everywhere, ranging from business and science to healthcare, technology, and everyday life. Understanding statistics and probability is not just for students and professionals. It is an essential skill for anyone regardless of field. Whether you are in high school, university, or research institutions, statistical thinking empowers you to analyze data, making smarter decisions, and solve real-world problems in general. So this course is designed to take you from foundational concepts to confident mastery of statistical analysis and probability. Thus, by the end of this course, you will be able to grasp core fundamentals in statistics, understand probability fundamentals and probability distributions, apply tools for data analysis and presentation using Python, R, SPSS, and Stata. To help you achieve these goals, we follow a unique strategy, meaning that we will combine theory and hands-on examples, so you can see statistics in action. Second, step-by-step tutorials that will guide you through calculations, coding, and interpretations. Third one, we will provide exercises and quizzes that encouraging active learning after each topic. Aspiring data. This course is perfect for professionals and aspiring data analysts looking to strengthen their data interpretation and skills, and perfect for students at all levels seeking a strong foundation in statistics and probability. And this course is valuable for exam candidates preparing for tests like GAT or NGAT. The fourth one, this course is appropriate for anyone who is curious about understanding data and applying statistical reasoning in real life. So, if you are ready to master this course, subscribe to this channel and activate the notification bell to stay ahead. For a detailed course structure and additional resources, visit the description section below. Thank you for watching.